Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my favorite season. Number 1. Winter is my favorite season. Number 2. I love winter because I like coolness. Number 3. I also love winter because I get to wear cozy sweaters. Number 4. I love to celebrate holidays with my family in winter. Number 5. Winter has the shortest days and the longest nights. Number 6. It occurs after autumn and before spring. Number 7. During winters, schools usually take a break and close down. Number 8. The seasonal fruits and vegetables in winters are absolutely delicious. Number 9. Snuggling under blankets is a winter night tradition. Number 10. Winter season comes when the earth is tilted away from the sun. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.